What is this place? Why is it so cold here? This is the inside of a cold room. Our most recent cold room project that we designed and built for our customer. For food storage at temperature -18 to -25 degrees Celsius.
This freezer room that we have built is an egg pattern. Okay, this is a coil. Also named as the evaporator 1 and evaporator 2. Now it comes with a 4 fan and with the heater inbuilt. This is a high light that we have installed for them. Let me show you. Here's the processing room. Here's one of the evaporator. This is one coil. The temperature for this room is 12 degrees to 16 degrees. The door that access to the processing room is a little bit of special for design for this such a handle that we can push and then trigger. So like this, puncher, push, and eject the door. Let me show you. So this is another handle that is inside. When you want to access out, you trigger this handle. Length by 20 meters, and the height is 5 meters.